5 Best Websites to Get Computer Science Tutorial. Studytonight.com is a great tutorial website which teaches you a wide range of programming languages. The best part about this website is that unlike other tutorial websites, it digs deep into the topics of computer science. It also offers topics related to Java, CSS, C, computer network, operating system, Mongo, Python, CAO, game development with Unity, Scrum, JSP, Apache Cordova, C++, and much more. greeksforgreeks.org. Greeks for Greeks not only offer programming languages but also prepares students who are going for interviews that are related to computer science jobs. The website provides all kind of solutions ranging from simplest to technical ones. It also offers you a fully functional IDE or text editor which let you edit code more easily. w3schools.com. It is the most preferred website for learning web development over the internet, and it's absolutely free of cost. The tutorials on this website offer tens and hundreds of examples and references for better learning and experimentation. It has a wide range of tutorials on HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, jQuery, and some frameworks as well, such as Bootstrap. Not only that, this website also has its own online editor, which lets you try code online without any worry of installation of the text editors separately. tutorialspoint.com. If you have an interest in computer science and want to enhance your skills, then tutorialspoint is the website for you. It's a very popular website which offers great tutorials on a wide variety of programming languages. So, if you are just a beginner without any clue, then this website has everything for you. The best part about this website is that it has online IDE, or you can say text editor, to edit codes, in order to compile and run them. Javatpoint.com. While offering some tutorials on programming languages, it also offers tutorials on various issues related to computer and modern technology. This is something unique which is not offered by any other website yet. The website has tutorials on almost all the programming languages, including the newest ones as well.